Review session.
I will now play each of the sounds you have just learned and pause to give you time to identify the sound. I will then give the name of the sound. Recorded at the apex.
Mitral stenosis and mitral regurgitation.
Recorded at the second right intercostal space.
Aortic stenosis and aortic regurgitation.
Recorded at the apex.
Acute mitral regurgitation.
Recorded at the fourth left intercostal space.
Aortic regurgitation and a systolic flow murmur.
Recorded at the second left intercostal space.
Pulmonic stenosis and pulmonic regurgitation.
Recorded at the second left intercostal space.
Patent ductus arteriosus.
If you did not recognize each of these murmurs, you may want to listen to that segment of the program again. I hope you have found this program to be both enjoyable and useful in your care of patients.